Next, question number 3 of exercise 12.1. Is it that question? The figure depicts an archery target marked with 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing the goal scoring is 21. Diameter is 21 and each of the other band is 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring region. Is it? So this is the diagram here that you see the goal scoring region. Here goal scoring region is there. Goal scoring region is there. Then that red scoring region, blue scoring region, black and white. So you have to find the area of each of the band. Is it? Area of each of the band. So what to do? That goal scoring region you will find. Then after that the gold and red we will find out together. And then goal scoring region will minus. Then we will get the red scoring region. Is it? So like that we will go for this another bands. So I will explain now in the board. See, that is the goal scoring region according to question. There is the red scoring region. This one is the red scoring region. This is the blue scoring region, black and white. So we have to find the area of each scoring region. The gold, then the red. Red means that part only. Blue means that part only. That part blue. That blue part. Then black part. And then white part. White part. So how to find now? See. First of all, we'll find out the area of goal scoring. Goal scoring region. That is pi r square only. Pi r square. Area, it is a circle. Pi is 22 by 7 and r is 21 by 2. 21 by 2. With the 7 is 3 times. With the 2 it is 11 times. So it is what? 11 into 63 by 2. So how much it will be? 6 by 2. So it's 3, then 4, 6.5. This is the area of goal scoring region. And after that goal scoring region, we have to find the red scoring region. See, red scoring region. Red scoring region, how to find the red scoring region? Means whole area. Whole area minus goal scoring region. Whole area minus goal scoring region. You see that what to do here? What to do here? You see that area of red scoring region. Red scoring region. You see, this one is that. Here we get the 10.5. You see, 10.5 is the radius of goal scoring. 10.5. But it is also 10.5. This is also 10.5. So for that whole circle, this is also R. This is also R. There are 2 R's are there. So we can write it as a 2R as a radius whole square. This is R. This is also R for the blue scoring region. Blue and red. For the blue and red both R and R, because this 10.5 is R. Here also 10.5. This is also R. So it is twice R square minus this goal scoring region. Goal scoring region is pi r square minus pi r square. So what will get? It is 4 pi r square minus pi r square. So what will get? 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. And after getting the 3 pi r square, you see it is 3. And the pi r square we got what? 346.5. 346.5 centimeter square. You multiply, you will get the answer for the red scoring region. For the red scoring region. Same is the case with that blue scoring region now. For the blue scoring region again. Red scoring region I rub. For the blue scoring region you see. Area of blue blue scoring. Blue scoring, red scoring, it is sorry, some points only, I don't know. Scoring region. Blue scoring region. So in the blue scoring region, it is C, that is R, one R, another R, and this is also 10.5. So there are 3 R's. So pi 3R square, very easy to do now, minus whole area from this whole blue area, whole area. We have to minus this. Minus means what? This pi how many R? 2R square. So what will get here? 9 pi R square, because 9, and this is 4 pi R square. So 9 pi R square minus 4 pi R square, how much? 5 pi R square. And already the pi R square, we got the result 346.5 centimeter square. So again the blue scoring region you will get, or not? Same is the case with the black scoring region. You will get the answer here. You multiply it, you will get the answer. Next is for the red scoring, that is the black scoring region. Area of black scoring, you see. Blue, the black scoring. Area of black scoring. Black scoring region. Yes, pi. How many are now? Yes, you see, 1 R, 2 R, 3 R, 4 R. So 4 R whole square minus pi. How many R? Up to the blue, it is 3 R. 3 R square. So it will be 16 pi R square minus 9 pi R square. It is 7 pi R square. And interestingly, you see that results are also like that: pi R square, then 3 pi R square, then 5 pi R square, then 7 pi R square. 7 into pi R square result is what? 346.5 centimeter square. You will get the answer. Now the white scoring region, you have to find out white scoring region, area of white scoring region. White, this is white scoring region. White scoring region, how many R's here? I'll write this one again. And then how many R's are here? Pi, how many R's? 1 R, 2 R, 3 R, 4 R, 5 R. 5 R square minus pi, how many R square we have to minus? Up to the black we have to minus. So how many R's? 1 R, 2 R, 3 R, 4 R. 4 R square. So it is 25 pi R square minus 16 pi R square. Definitely it will be 9 pi R square. You see that 7 and 9. So 9 into 346.5 centimeter square. So it will be give you the easy answer. Otherwise, if you find out gold scoring region, then the blue scoring, red scoring together without doing this one calculation and then red, then it will take a very long time and long calculation, is it? So this process is easy process, you do, complete it.